Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. This is a straightforward procedure that will help restore your vacuum's functionality. Let's gather our tools first. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and some electrical tape. Begin by unplugging your vacuum cleaner. Safety is paramount. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are usually 4 screws that hold the cover in place. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as we will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. This will expose the internal components of the vacuum, including the wiring. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. A clean workspace will make your repair easier. Now, locate the old cable. It is typically connected at 2 points, at the plug and at the motor. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open any clips holding the cable in place. If you find it challenging to remove the old cable, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assess your vacuum and provide help if needed. After disconnecting the cable from the motor, use the scissors to cut the cable near the plug. Make sure to leave enough length for the new cable connection. Now, it's time to install the new cable. Take your new cable, ensuring it is compatible with the Dyson HD01 model. Thread it through the same openings as the old cable. Once the new cable is in place, connect it to the motor, ensuring the connections are secure. Use electrical tape to wrap any exposed wires to prevent short circuits. Now, reattach the cover of the vacuum cleaner by aligning it with the base and securing it with the screws you previously removed. This may require a bit of maneuvering, but it should fit snugly. At this stage, you may want to test your vacuum cleaner before fully reassembling it. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new cable works correctly. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle the repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Once you've confirmed that everything is working as expected, finish reassembling your vacuum by tightening the screws securely. Make sure there are no loose parts left, as this can affect the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough cleaning before putting it back to use. In conclusion, changing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner is a manageable task that can save you money and extend the life of your appliance. If you ever need assistance, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, making your decision easier. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.